All right, good morning. This morning we are heading up Mount Sherman. It is June 16th. There's still quite a lot of snow. That shows how much snow we got this year. We got spikes and poles and all that. Should be a good morning. Weather seems great. Might snow later. But yeah, I've got Toby. He's hiding somewhere. There he is. We got Toby from Summit Bid Media. And we got my wife's Aunt Karen back there. So we got the crew going today. So let's go.
Which way do you want to go from here?
Right. All right, how you feeling so far?
Good. A little out of breath, but that's okay. It's all about pacing.
Yep, we're getting there. Alright, we're just hitting our sunrise here. The little tops of the mountains are glowing a little bit, clouds are glowing a little bit. Wind is picking up, we're kind of sheltered here, but it's moving pretty quick over the mountain up there. So we'll see how insane it is at the ridge. How you feeling so far, Toby?
Feeling amazing so far. It's a beautiful morning. The lighting's great. It's not blowing too much right now. It's gorgeous out. Wow. There's like light hitting our summit just at the moment. It's a great way to start off the season.
Yeah. And the light is beautiful on the mountains behind us. I think that's the top of Horseshoe Peak. I'm very much a landscape photographer of opportunity. If I'm up on a 14er and have some nice light, I'll take it, but I don't go searching for it as much as I probably should. Oh man, lovely. Got a beautiful view going on here. And as the sun's popping, we're gonna hit the sun here soon. It's hitting the ridge behind me. Wow. It's still looking real windy up there, but there's a couple groups in front of us. Spectacular.
So Kevin is bailing me out here. I forgot gloves. So stole his camera to document what a good Samaritan he is.
Got my custom printed stuff sack that my brother made with a photo of me on Mount Snuffles.
Oh, sick.
Boom.
Very nice.
There you go.
Thank you.
Down 900 feet.
Oofda.
Yeah, it looks real rough over there.
That does not look like fun.
All right, good job making it this far. How you feeling now?
Feeling good. I see dark clouds around.
Very dark clouds, and there's a lot of
Yeah.
snow. Right? Right
Yeah.
there in my eyeballs.
Yeah.
That really does not. I think my vote is probably we're done.
Yes.
That cooks us. We're probably going to be in that before we even get back to the car,
Yeah.
even if we turn around now. It's not really going to matter too much if there's snowing on snow.
Yeah.
What's that?
All right. So we are at the ridge. We would have only about 800 feet left behind me up to the summit, but there is a big ol' snowstorm coming from behind us. And I think with, having kind of a newcomer to 14ers with us, probably not the best idea to continue. So this is our summit, but it is still a great morning in the mountains. Got a beautiful sunrise. It's still beautiful right now, but it's a bit stormy for my taste.
Whew. This blew it quick.
Yeah, time to go.
Yep.
Ugh. No.
All right. Well, if this is our summit, how do you feel?
Well, of course disappointed, but understanding, and I love getting out in the mountains and hiking, and I'm hungry, so I'm eating.
Good call. Okay, yeah, let's go. That blew in real quick. And we can see the mountains over there where we first got here. Now, nothing. That other group's coming down. Yeah, it's time. All right, back off the snowfield. Wind is really whipping up on the peak behind us. So, you know, with the new 14er person, I wouldn't want to go up and risk it if it gets really bad. Could blow up and be fine. Could get really bad. Don't want to risk it. It's always good to know if you need to turn around given your situation. Life lessons. Whew, this is beautiful though.
That is
Beautiful.
Really bad.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we're pretty close to being down, but man, the wind is still just crazy. The summit's clear back there, but I don't necessarily want to be up there if it's 60, 70 mile an hour winds. I've been on a 14er when that's been the case on Culebra, and that was not fun. Look at that sun. Look at that sun. It's honestly so nice. Lovely.
like, what is bad is that if it's just wind, that wouldn't bother me so much. But hey, wind, clouds, snow. So
It's the wind that makes it cold.
Yeah.
Makes it a lot colder.
So it's a beautiful day. It was a beautiful hike.
Was it a good first experience for a 14er climb?
Well, we didn't quite make the 14er, but we got what, 13,500. I'll take it. It was good.
13.5.
Yeah, it was good. It was what I wanted to do.
Yep, good morning in the mountains. I'll take that. The new backpack felt great. The new shoes felt great. Felt great to be up in the mountains after like a month and a half since I haven't really done anything.
It was a beautiful climb. It was a beautiful sunrise. And it's been a minute since I've been like high up in the mountains, especially in like a slightly more summer, if you can call this summer, which you can, I guess, summer weather in the mountains. So that was really fun, and just like looking like these cliffs over here, just gorgeous, flying the drones. Good times, good times.
Thanks for coming.
Got some Pringles in the car, so I'm excited about that.
Thanks for coming.
Indeed, thanks for the invite.
All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Shout out to the very least Ultralight gear, my brother. He makes some awesome backpacks. That's the one I was wearing today. So go check it out on Instagram, which I'll put here, and check out their website and all that. Obviously not sponsored. I did pay full price for my backpack from them, but check them out. They make some really nice stuff.